This is a quick video to show you how to install Chrome extensions into your Chrome browser. So you can see I'm in the Chrome Web Store. You can do a simple search for that. And now you can come down here, make sure you're in extensions. And I'm going to search for an extension called Shared to Classroom. If you know the name of the extension, you can type it in, or you can just put in Classroom and see what comes up. There's a lot of different types of extensions. And now I'm going to look for the one I wanted, Shared to Classroom. Notice that there are reviews here. If I want to see the reviews, I click on the button and then go to where it says Reviews. This is the overview. Sometimes there's pictures, sometimes there's a video here. And then if I want to add it to my Chrome, I just click on Add to Chrome. And it's going to ask for some permissions. And I'm going to click Add Extension. And it's checking. And now the extension has been added to my Chrome browser. So now down here it says added to Chrome because it's already there. It's just that easy.